Guys, Bob here. Today I want to show you how to replace the fuel valve on a Kawasaki KMX or any other motorcycle with the valve built into the tank. So, let's get to it. Step 1. The parts. You are gonna need brake cleaner with a rack, a wrench with the correct socket, something from 8 to 12 millimeters, some pliers, and the new Petcock. Also, you're gonna need an empty container for the fuel. So, let's get to the step 2, which is draining the tank. So, thing you gotta do is take your container, get to your bike like this, unscrew the lid obviously, make sure, if you even can turn it off now, make sure your fuel is turned off so you actually don't spill it all over yourself. Unplug this thing, put it at the carburetor, put it into the container and turn the fuel on. One more thing, make sure you have the old Petcock on reserve so you're actually getting all of the fuel out. It's been a few minutes and my fuel stopped draining, as you can see. So step 4, I think, is removing the old Petcock. So you gotta remove all the tubing, so remove this. If all of the fuel is out, you don't really need a rack, but it's better to take one because it probably will be draining a little bit more. So take a rack, also take a wrench. But I just found out my socket doesn't fit there, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver. So, let's get to removing the old Petcock. You just unscrew this, we'll undo this first bolt, the second bolt, I don't know how you count it, and pull it out. Onto the step 5, which is cleaning the surface and putting the new Petcock in. So, you take your racks, like this. It's get better if they're paper, because you are gonna need to clean it with a brake cleaner or something like this. Spray a bit on it. Make sure you get all the junk off so the new Petcock is gonna sit better. So you take your Petcock, take your washer, and you put the washer on the Petcock. I just found out this Petcock does not fit the correct way around. I just gonna put it on the wrong way around and gonna have the fuel pipe angle like this, which is made for fuel delivery. Let's do this. So you just gotta take a Petcock and stick it in, and you just tighten it. Make sure you don't over tighten it, it can crack, and when it cracks, it's really bad. If you got the correct one, it should be the other way around. I'm probably gonna put on a photo. Now you gotta connect the housing and the fuel hoses back